Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz around Apple's CarPlay 2. Leaked screenshots have given us a glimpse into the exciting new features, and we can't wait to share them with you. First up, let's talk about the widget-based interface. CarPlay 2 introduces a sleek new system with widgets, reminiscent of the ones we see in iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. This upgrade promises a more intuitive and streamlined user experience. Next, we have the customizable dashboard. This feature allows users to personalize their CarPlay experience with widgets for clock, weather, calendar, navigation, and music. Imagine having all your essential information at your fingertips, neatly organized in one place. Now, about the leaked images. Though they're monochrome, they still give us a solid idea of what's coming. It's expected that the final version will feature vibrant colors, making the interface even more visually appealing. Initially, CarPlay 2 was set to be released in 2024. However, there has been a delay. While this may be disappointing, it's important to remember that good things take time, and the end result will be worth the wait. One of the standout features of CarPlay 2 is its complete dashboard integration. Unlike the original CarPlay, this version requires collaboration with car manufacturers for a fully immersive experience. This means that CarPlay 2 will take over the entire dashboard, offering a seamless and cohesive interface. To wrap up, we've covered the key points from the leaked screenshots of Apple's CarPlay 2. The new widget-based interface, customizable dashboard, monochrome images, delayed release, and complete dashboard integration all point to an exciting future for CarPlay. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest news.